Hello, my name is Orrin Svika, and I am a tutor here at Lakeland. And today I'm going to help you out with the calculator. So today I'll be using the TI-84 Plus, and this is usually the one your instructor requires. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and talk about the alpha key. So notice how my alpha key is green. There are also green symbols throughout the keys of the calculator. Other calculators are usually color-coded in a similar way. So if I go to the alpha key and I press it, my cursor changes to an A here. That just means it's just telling me that I'm in the alpha mode, and I can press one of these green symbols. So I'll press X over here. And then since I was in the alpha mode, instead of doing whatever STO is, it did what was the green letter there, and it gave me an X, which is going to be extremely useful whenever you want to put in equations. You can use the green letters as variables, which will be important in the future. So that's just one way of putting in variables using the alpha key. There are also some other things we can do with that. So we show that it can be used to variables, right? But then there's also some other green symbols up top here. It says F1, F2, F3, F4, and F5. So if we press alpha and F1, that gives us some values here. We can also do alpha F2, and it gives us a list of values as well. So that says absolute value, that's the summation symbol, which you may not need to worry about that. And then derivative, integral, logarithm may be important, but that's that there. So I'm gonna clear out of there. Alpha F3, I think that's a matrix there. It also highlights it there. Alpha F4, looks like it might be some sort of table, and so on. So that's just another use of the alpha key. So that is pretty much what I have today. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope it has helped you.